Hello, and welcome to EPT. Apple secretly released their new phone. iPhone SE 2020, they didn't have any event, they just launched it on their website. In this video, I'm going to talk about the iPhone SE 2020. They didn't reveal too much about the phone, neither they gave anyone to review it. So here is everything we know about. The display has huge bezels and it has a 4.7-inch Retina IPS LCD display. It has a single rear camera of 12 megapixel and a 7 megapixel front camera. Apple is saying that this is the best single camera on any iPhone. But still, in 2020, we have budget smartphones with quad camera, and Apple is launching iPhone SE with only one camera. But Apple did a great job that any other company hasn't done yet. In the iPhone SE 2020, they have added their latest chipset. The A13 Bionic chip, which is currently on the iPhone 11 series and 2x faster than Snapdragon 855. Other than that, it also has an IP67 rating, Touch ID, Wi-Fi 6 and surprisingly wireless charging support. There are 3 storage versions: 64 GB, 128 GB or 256 GB. RAM and battery aren't confirmed yet, but because this phone is a lot similar to iPhone 8, I'm guessing it will have 2 or 3 GB RAM. And the battery will be somewhere around 2000 mAh. The price of the 64 GB version is $399, which makes this phone the cheapest iPhone ever. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.